Hello everyone, welcome to ViTech Talks. In this video, we are going to discuss about the below use case. And this question is very important for even interviews, okay, as well as a real-time project, okay. In the real time also, we are going to use frequently this one, okay. What is the question here? Just try to understand now. How do you secure properties? See, how do you secure your API? That is different question. And how do you secure your properties? This one is different question. Okay. I'll write the steps here. Okay. In later. So first step is to create. You need to create a project. You need to create a project with configurations.yaml file. Okay. This is the first step. So I'll show you in a practically. Okay. I'll show you in a practical mode here. Then later we are going to write the steps. Just I have created one project. Okay. There is one project. So in this project, we are using to connect with Snowflake. We are using to connect with Snowflake. So this is my configuration file. Just try to understand this one. This is my configuration file. So I want to secure properties. See, I don't want to expose username and password. I want to secure. I want to encrypt. I want to encrypt. So how do you do this? Okay. So the very first step, okay, it's very simple. Okay, how to do it? Okay, we'll see now. So what you can do is you can go to secure properties generator first. Secure properties generator. Secure properties generator. Here we need to encrypt, right? Okay. Here we need to encrypt. Click on encrypt. The algorithm. I'm going to use Blowfish here. So what is the key? So this key you have to remember. Okay. I'm going to keep it as simply mule interview $123. I'll tell you what is the importance of this key. Okay. Just I have given the mule interview $123. Now the value you need to keep. So I want to encrypt my username also. I want to encrypt my username. I want to encrypt my username. Just paste it here. See, click on generate. So this is your encrypted value. This is your encrypted value. Now, simply I'll keep it here. This is my username. So what is the password? So the password also I need to encrypt. So by using secure properties, we are going to encrypt your username and passwords. Okay, now one step is done. Suppose you need to remember this key. Okay, this is very important. This is very important. Now see, I want to decrypt the same. I want to decrypt. So in order to decrypt, you can select decrypt here. The value place, you can keep it this encrypted values. Click on generate. See, test at the rate 123. Suppose if you forget to key, okay, if you forget to give the key, if you miss any characters, it won't give the results. So that's why you need to remember the key. What is the algorithm and what is the key which you have given to encrypt? Then only it is going to decrypt the values. Okay, fine. Now we have encrypted these values. So how to use this? How to use? Just observe carefully. Hexametry. Okay. The array braces you need to give. Then you need to provide the value here. Then you need to provide the value within double quotes. Okay. Now again, the symbol exclamatory array braces. What is the encrypted password? So this you need to provide. So this is very, very important. The syntax of providing or configuring secure properties. Okay. Now see, as many you want, you can secure. So here I'm going to secure only username and password because this is the sensitive data, right? Okay. So you don't want to expose username and password to everyone. Okay. Now, so once it is done, go to project, go to search in Exchange, type secure, just type secure. So here you can see Mule secure configuration. Just add this one. Mule secure configuration property extensions. Click on finish. Okay. Click on finish. So once it is done, go to global elements. Here, click on create, type secure. Okay, secure properties config. So here you need to map your file. Okay. So where is our secure properties .yaml? Click on this .yaml file. Okay. So what is the key? So this key is very, very important. See, why do we need to provide this key? So your secure property is going to take care about decrypt. Okay. Decrypt the values. Now click on blowfish. Okay. Click on OK. So you need to provide secure properties config in the key. The key. Okay. Now I'll go to Snowflake connector. Click on this edit. This is very, very important. How do you secure username and password? Here you need to provide secure double colon. So this is very, very important. Secure double colon. Okay. Secure double colon. Now click on test connection. If the test connection is successful, okay, see, test connection is successful. So that means, so whatever we have given our secure properties, that is working fine. So this is how we are going to secure. This is how we are going to secure properties. This is how we are going to secure properties. So this way, no one can hack your properties. I mean, the username and password, whatever the sensitive data it is there, no one. So let me write the steps here. The very first step, create project with configurations.yaml. Okay. Now define properties and use it in API. Now, once it is done, use secure properties generator. Use secure properties generator to use secure properties generator to use secure properties generator to encrypt the values. Encrypt the values like below. Okay. So once it is done, go to YAML file and define properties using exclamatory, okay, and array braces. Okay. For example, let me write the example here. Username colon double quotes exclamatory. So here you need to provide slash vh7e 6w ea89, something like this. Okay. So this way we need to define. So once you define, once you define, go to Exchange and add the secure properties extension. Okay. Now once it is done, global elements, add secure properties file and key. Secure properties file and key and algorithm. Okay. So this is very important. Key and algorithm is very important. Now finally go to DB connector or whatever it is. Okay. Wherever you have defined, or go to DB connector or file connector. So that is depends which one you have used. Okay. So here edit properties and use the below. So how to use it? Dollar flower braces, secure colon, okay, secure colon, sfc dot snowflake db.password, something like this, okay. Then finally, you can click on test connection. Click on test connection so that you will get to know whether the connection is successful or not. So these are the major steps. See, this is one way of doing, okay. Instead of doing, okay, secure properties generator by using any point studio itself, we can generate the values. That I'm going to explain in another video. So far, you can practice this one and try to prepare an answer, okay. Whenever the interviewer is going to ask, how do you secure your properties? Then you have to explain these steps, okay. Create project with configurations, .properties or YAML file, or define the properties and use it in your API, and use secure properties generator to encrypt the values by using key. The key you need to remember. Then go to YAML file and define the properties by using this symbol, exclamatory and array braces. Okay. Next, go to Mule palette and Exchange. Okay. Search in Exchange. Search in Exchange and add the secure properties extension. Next, in the global elements, you need to add secure properties file and key with the algorithm. Then go to corresponding connectors where you are using the secure properties. From there, you need to mention dollar flower braces secure colon the property name. Okay. Then click on test connection. So if the test connection is successful, then what are the values which we have encrypted? So that is working fine. So this way you need to explain. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching this. Happy learning.